Well, this is more of a rant than one of my typical videos. My wife bought this a while back, didn't pay a whole lot for it, but she really loved it. It's a jar opener, and what you do is you take the lid of your jar, you put this over the lid of your jar, we'll pretend this is a lid, and just kind of snug it up there, put this little pawl on the ratchet, squeeze the handle here, and twist, and the lid comes right off. Yeah, she doesn't need her husband anymore. Maybe she's trying to make me obsolete, I don't know, but okay, anyhow, lasted about 2 weeks, and then this end just popped off, and I was looking at it, and all they had done was they had just crimped this end on here. Now, it's made out of good materials. It's good and strong. It works really well, but you know, they got right up to the edge, and then the manufacturing just kind of failed. I can't imagine a machine, an industrial crimping machine on this kind of scale would be cheaper than, say, a spot welder. Yeah, I don't know, you can correct me down in the comments if I'm wrong, but yeah, so what I did to fix it, I just, you know, cut it with the angle grinder and then put a couple welds on it with a ordinary old spot welder, ordinary old arc welder. So yeah, it's not beautiful, but it's, you know, it's functional, and now it's going to last forever. Kind of sad that, you know, the engineers or the designers who made this thing got so close, but you know, 99% of these things are going to end up in a landfill, and that makes me kind of sad. I just hate to see that happen. I hate to waste stuff. Okay, well, that was it. Just like I said, kind of a rant today. Maybe it'll give you some ideas on fixing these or some other stuff around the house. Hope you found that interesting and maybe even useful.